What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Acura RDX smart key remote fob. This key fob is going to be for the Acura RDXs that have the factory remote start. You can see that engine hold button right there. If your RDX does not have a factory remote start, your key fob will be similar, but it will be just a little bit different. But again, we're looking at the fob for the vehicles that do have the factory remote start. And it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on. And then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if I hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, I'm going to use my emergency key to pop the two halves of this case apart. So what I'm going to do is take my key and I'm going to kind of put it just down here like this, and then I'm going to pry up against this silver piece. So I'm going to put my key in here like that, and then just kind of pry up. And as I do that, it splits the two halves of the shell apart. Once we pull that back half off, we can see our battery right here. And you can probably get this out with your finger, but sometimes what I like to do is take the key and just use it to help get under the edge of it. Like that. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And you can see in here that this side has a little more to it on the holder. So I'm going to kind of tuck that edge in first. Kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can go ahead and put the two halves back together. Make sure it's all the way snapped down, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.